Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Truthsocial app. Fortunately, this application is now available on Android phone, so you can use either iOS or Android. So for this tutorial, I'll be using my Android phone. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and then you have to search for Truth Social and you'd be able to see this application. Now you just have to install this one. Okay, you have to download this application and install it on your device and click on open. So right here, you have to start by creating your account. So you just have to click on create account. So just follow this very simple steps. And of course, you don't have to spend any penny if you want to use Truthsocial app. So let's get started. Connect, share, and explore with like-minded individuals. So you just have to tap next to start creating your account. So just wait for a couple of seconds and then you'd be able to see this page. Now you just have to enter your birth date. Okay, so you'll start with the month, the day of your birthday, and then the year of your birthday. And after that, you just have to click on next. Okay, and then right here, you have to enter your email address. Okay, and then once done, you just have to click on next. After that, a link was sent to your email, so you just have to go to your Gmail and click on the link to validate your email. So let's close the Truthsocial app and go to our Gmail. And then you have to refresh your inbox and you'd be able to see here the message. So you just have to click on it. So here is the message, the Truthsocial. So you just have to click on it. And then you'd be able to see this link over here. So you just have to click on the confirm your email. And then after that, you'll be directed to the application and then your email has been verified. So of course, you have to create a password. So minimum of 8 characters, 1 capital letter and 1 lowercase. Here you have to enter your phone number. So first you have to select your country. So you can use the search bar at the top and then type out your number and then click on next. And then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then a verification code was sent to your number. So all you have to do is to copy the code and paste it over here. Okay, so this is the code and now you just have to click on next. Okay, now your phone number has been verified. So right here, you just have to select a username. Okay, so make sure to choose a unique username and then you just have to tap on this one. So by continuing, you agree to the Truthsocial terms of service and confirm that you have read the Truthsocial privacy policy. Now your account has been created successfully and then you can now choose a profile picture and you can skip this one for now. Now let's discuss on how to use the Truthsocial app. So right here, you'd be able to see the 3 different options at the tab: the For You feed, the Following feed, and the Groups feed. So here in the For You feed, you'll be able to see here all of the posts that is recommended for you. Since you just created your account, then you don't have any friends yet or mutual here on Truthsocial app. So when you go to the following section, you'd be able to see here all of the posts of the people that you are following. And when you go to the group section, you'll be able to see here the groups that you have joined. Okay, so now when you go here at the bottom right, you'd be able to see here all of your groups. And if you would like to join a group, so you can click on the find groups option and be able to see here different groups that you can join for free. Okay, so here you can also tap on the search icon. And then if you would like to search for a specific person, a topic, or post, then you can type it out right here at the tab. Okay, now beside the search button, you have here the notifications or the alerts icon. So when you click on it, you'd be able to see here all of your notifications. So you have here the mentions. If someone mentions you, you'd be able to see here over here. And then if someone follows you, then you'd be able to see here all of your followers. Okay, now when you tap on this message icon, you'd be able to see here all of your messages. So you can use the search bar at the tab to search for a specific conversation. Okay, so next thing that we are going to discuss is this icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. So when you clicked on it, this is the feeds section. So you have here for you, the following, and groups. So when you clicked on the preferences, you can further customize the home tab content you see in the preference section. So when you clicked on it, you have here the preferences. So for the push notifications, you can turn it on or off. So if you would like to load sensitive media, so you can toggle the switch on over here. And if you want to autoplay your videos on your feed, then you can toggle the switch on over here. So there are lots of options over here. So you just have to explore these things to customize your preferences or your feed. Okay, and then over here you've got the privacy. So if you mute someone or if you block someone, then you'll be able to see it over here. Okay, and then if you would like to change your email, so here is your email. So if you would like to change it, so you just have to tap on it and then type out your new email. Then you just have to validate it like what we did earlier. And if you would like to change your password, so you can do that as well. And if you would like to activate the two-factor authentication, so you just have to toggle the switch on. Okay, so when you click on this icon, this one at the top left of your screen, so you'd be able to see this option. So you have here your follower section and then the following section. So when you tap on your profile, so let's skip this other things over here. We already discussed these things. Right here, we can customize our profile, okay? So we can upload a cover photo or a profile picture. So when you click on this cover photo icon, so this one at the top right, okay, we can upload our photo. So you can use your camera or choose a photo from your gallery. Okay, you can do that. And then if you would like to change your profile picture, so just click on this camera icon. Now you can create your display name over here. So for example, I would like to, use a display name like Kokoy, then you can do that. Then for your bio, you can type out single or anything. And then for your location, if you would like to add your location here, so you can do that. And of course, if you have website, then you can paste it over here to get connected with your Truth Social friends. Okay, and then after that, you can also share your link to your other social media accounts. So you just have to click on the share button and then choose your social media platform. So for example, you've got Instagram account, Twitter account. So you just have to choose and then just post your link. So when someone clicked on it and they also have a Truthsocial account, then they'd be able to follow you there. Okay, so those are the things that you have to remember if you want to use the Truthsocial app. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.